So students, let us solve LCM question from practice set 13. So the first question, we have to find out LCM of the given numbers. So the first question is 12, 15. So again I'll make here two different parts because there are two numbers. I'll first factorize 12. So 12 comes in 2's table, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now I'll find out for 15. Now 15 comes directly in 3's table, not in 2's table. So 3 5s are 15 and 5, because it is a prime number, 5 1s are 5. Now we have to write down horizontally also. So 12 can be equal to 2 into 2 into 3. And 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now you know how to find out LCM. So maximum where it has occurred, you have to take that 2's. So in 12 you can see here 2 has occurred 2 times and 15 it is not there only. So we can take 2 into 2. Now check for 3. 3 here also one time, here also one time. So I'll write down only one. And then check for 5. So 5 here it is not there, but here it is one time. Now I have to combine. So LCM of 12, 15 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. I'll combine all this. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 45, right? 12 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 6, 60, sorry, 60. 45 is 9's table, 9 5s are 45. So LCM of 12, 15 is 60. Okay, so this was first sum, which was very easy. Now let us solve fourth sum. Second and third you have to solve it at home. I'll solve directly fourth sum. So I'll make 3 parts because I have to find out LCM of 3 numbers. So first I'll write down 10 over here. I'll write down 2 because 10 comes in 2. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now I'll write down for 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. And now I'll write for 20. Now 20 comes in 2's table. 2 1s are 2, right? And 0. So that means 2 10s are 20. Now 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Horizontally also you have to write down 10 is equal to 2 into 5, 2 into 5. 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now LCM, how do we write down? Even if you don't write this part, then also it is fine. Directly you can write down. First check for 2. 2 maximum in which number it is present? In 10 it is one time, 15 it is not there, and in 20 there is 2 times. So I'll write down 2 times 2. I'll take from 20 because here it is maximum. Now check for 3. 3 it is not there over here. 3 is there one time in 15 and in 20 also it is not there. So I'll write down one time. 5 it is there one time in 10, one time in 15 and one time in 20. So you can take any number because everywhere it is present one time only. So I'll write down one time over here. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Again you can see here LCM we get it as 60. You can see here how it is easy to find out LCM. Yes, am I right? So LCM also it is very easy, but you should know tables as well as this vertical method. Okay, now let us solve next sum. So the next sum is seventh one. It is 105 and 195. It is slightly bigger number. So let us solve and see what LCM answer we will get. First I'll solve for 105. So 105, if you check properly, if you add all the digit, it will be present in 3. So write down 3 over here. 1 you cannot take because 1 is very less than 3. So you have to take 2 digits, 10. 10 also is not there in 3, but 9 is there. So 3 3s are 9. From 10, if we remove 9, 1 will remain. So 1 will pass it on further. So 1 and 15 now are remaining. So 15 also comes in 3's table, 3 5s are 15. Now 35 you check whether it is present in 3's table or no. So 5 plus 3 if you do, you will get 8. 8 is not there in 3's table, so 35 will also be not there. And 35 directly comes in 5's table. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 it is a prime number, so 7 1s are 7. So these are the factors of 105. You can immediately write down 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Now check for 195. So 195, if you add all the digits and see whether it comes in 3's table or no, check. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 comes in 3's table. So you can definitely take 3. So 1 you cannot take, so you have to take 2 digits. That means 19. Check whether 19 comes in 3's table or no. It does not come. But smaller number comes, which is 18. So 3 6 are 18. From 19, if we take 18, 1 remains, which is passed on further. So 1 5 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now check whether 65 comes in 3's table or no. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 does not come in 3's table. So definitely 65 directly will come in 5's table. So 65 in 5's table, you can check for first digit 6. 6 does not come in 5's table, but 5 comes. So 5 1s are 5. From 6, if we remove 5, 1 will remain and 1 will pass it on further. So now 15 is remaining. So 15 comes in 5's table, 5 3s are 15. And 13 that we get, 13 is definitely a prime number, so 13 1s are 13 will come. Because always prime number comes in itself table. So write down factors of 195 also, 3 into 5 into 30. Now to find out LCM, you have to first check which all factors are there. So 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there and 13 is there. So first check for small number, that is 3. 3 is present one time over here and one time also over here. So you have to anyhow write down. You can take any number but write down one time, because both places it is present one time only. Now check for 5. 5 is also present one time over here and here also one time. So you have to write down anyhow one time. Now check for 7. 7 is present one time over here and it is not there only. So you have to check, take this number, that is 1 times 7. Now check for 13. So 13 is not present in this number, but it is present one time in this number. So multiplied by 13. Now you have to multiply all the numbers and get the answer. So first 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are you do. 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10. Now 105 answer. Now 105 into 13 you do. So 105 into 13. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 3 zeros are 0. And 1 is already there. 3 1s are 3. Now 0 you write down over here. Now 5 1s are 5. 0 zeros are 0 and 1 1s are 1. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3 and 1 as it is. So you get answer as 1365. 1365 as the LCM of both the numbers 105 and 195. Okay. Now let us solve next example, which is 63 and 81. So first I'll find out factors of 63. Now 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 comes in 3's table. So 63 will also come in 3's table. So first check for 6. 6 comes in 3's table. 3 2s are 6 and 3 also comes in 3's table. 3 1s are 3. Now 21 will also come in 3's table. 3 7s are 21 and 7 is a prime number, so 7 1s are 7. Now check for 81. 8 plus 1 is also 9, so 81 will also come in 9's table. So 3, you write down over here. First you take 8. Does 8 come in 3's table? No. But smaller number comes 6. That means 3 2s are 6. From 8, if we remove 6, 2 will remain and 2 we pass it on further. So now the remaining numbers will be 2 and 1, 21. And 21 comes in 3's table. 3 7s are 21. Now 27 again comes in 3's table. 3 8s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 9 also comes in 3's table. 3 3s are 9. And 3 is a prime numbers. 3 1s are 3. Hope you are getting this factorization. Now write down horizontally also. 3 into 3 into 7. And for 81 also you write down horizontally 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now to find out LCM, again what do we have to do? First check which all factors are there. 3 and 7. Only 3s and 7 you can see. So first check for 3. So 3 in 63 number it is present 2 times, but in 81 it is present 4 times. So definitely we are going to take maximum number of times. So write down 4 times 3 into, now check for 7. 7 is present 1 time over here and it is not there only over here. So I'll write down 1 time. Now you multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are you have to do. 27 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 81. Now 81 into 7 is left. So 81 into 7 you do. Finally 7 1s are 7 and 8 7s are 42. No, 8 7s are 56. Am I right? Yeah. So LCM is equal to 567. So this will be the answer. Now solving the next sum, which is 10th one. So again you have to make 3 parts over here. First find out factors of 18. 18 comes in 2's table, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 comes in 3's table, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. This was very simple. Now find out for 36. 36 will come in 2's table. So first take 3. 3 does not come, so 2 comes. 2 1s are 2. From 3 if we remove 2, 1 will remain. So the remaining numbers will be 1 and 6, 16. 16 does come in 2's table, 2 8s are 16. Now 18 will also come in 2's table, 2 9s are 18. 9 comes in 3's table, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now find out for 27. 27 does not come in 2's table, it directly comes in 3's table. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Write down horizontally also. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. 36 also write down horizontally. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 27 also write down horizontally. 3 into 3 into 3. Now to find out LCM, first check for 2 number because that is the smallest number. So 2 is 1 time over here in 18. It is 2 time in 36 and it is not there only in 27. So maximum number it is present in 36. So we'll write down 2 into 2. Now for check for 3. 3 is present 2 times in 18, 2 times in 36, but 3 times in 27. So definitely we'll take 3 times because it is maximum. And only the factors which are present is 2 and 3. There are no other factors. So only this answer will get. But you have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are, you have to do 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 12 3s are 36 and finally 3 is remaining. So 36 3s are also you have to do. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 10, 108. So LCM will be 108. I hope you have understood how to find out LCM because it is very easy. So the remaining sums which I have not solved, that you have to solve at your home and find out LCM. Do not make silly mistake. And the next type of question is second question. Find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below and verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. So let us find out. First, again you have to find out the factors. So 32 is present in 2's table. First check for 3. 2 1s are 2. From 3 if we remove 2, 1 will remain. So the remaining numbers will be 1 and 2 12. So 2 6 are 12. Now 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So you can see here so many factors we get. And 37 if you see properly, 7 plus 3 also if you do whatever you do, you are not going to get any numbers which will be divisible by 37 because 37 is a prime number. So 37 1s are 37. Now you find out HCF first. First you write down horizontally 32 factors. How many number of times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down to 5 number of times. And 37, you write down 37 only. 37 ones are 37, so it is 37 because it is a prime number, right? Now to find out HCF, what do you have to do? You have to find out the common factors in both. So common factor is what? 2 also is not common over here and 37 is also not present over here. So in that case, the common factor becomes 1 because whole number is multiplied by 1, right? Anyhow, so HCF always becomes 1 when there is no common factors. And LCM, what do? We have to first check how many number of times 2 is present over here and so and over here also. So here it is present 5 number of times and here it is not present only. So here maximum number of times you have to write down. So it is present maximum number of times in 32. So I have wrote down that. And 37 is not present in 32 but it is one time present in 37. So that you have to write down. Now after finding out HCF and LCM, you have to multiply all these numbers and you have to get the answer. So by multiplying you will get the LCM also. So I'll find out, you can multiply it at home also. So I'll multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 into 37 you have to do. So I'll do it in my rough work and I'll find out the answer. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 22, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 1184. Okay, so the answer is 1184 and you have to find out HCF into LCM will be equal to 1 into 1184, which is equal to 1184 only, and you have to find out product of given numbers also. So which are the two numbers which are given in the question? 32 and 37. So 32 into 37, if you find out by multiplication, you will again get 1184. So if you give this equation 1 and 2, we'll find out from 1 and 2, you find out HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers, given numbers. Okay, so it is always equal. The way we have found out, similar manner you have to find out over here also. So the next question is similar manner. It is 15, 60. So I'll find out factors of 15. 15 comes in 3's table, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, and 60 will come in 2's table. So 2 3s are 6 and 0 as it is down. Now 30 will also come in 2's table. 2 1s are 2. From 3 if we take 2, 1 will remain and the remaining numbers will be 1 and 0, 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now 15 comes in 3's table. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Write down horizontally 3 into 5, and here 60 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now HCF will be equal to common factors. So here 3 is common and 5 is also common, but 2 is present over here but it is not present over here. So HCF will be only common numbers. 5 3s are 15. And LCM we already know. First you have to check for 2 maximum where it is present. Here it is not present only, and here maximum number of times, that means 2 into 2, 2 times. Now check for 3. 3 it is present one time over here and one time over here also. So write only one time, and 5 also one time, so write only one time. Now find out the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Now HCF into LCM multiplication you do. 15 into 60. So you can do 15 into 6 first. 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 is 9. So it is 90 and 0. Here we have not we had removed, so you have to put that removed 0 again. Now you have to multiply both this number. Which are the given number? 15 into 60. Product of given numbers, which is equal to 15 into 60, which will be also equal to 900. So you can see here LCM into HCF is equal to product of the given numbers. This is also equal. Now check for 78 and 104. 78 will be present in 2's table. Check for 7. 7 is not there but 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. So from 7, if we remove 6, 1 will be remaining. 1 we carry forward. So 18. So 2 9s are 18. Now 39 will be present in 3's table. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And 13 is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. Now check for 104. 2. So 2, 1 we cannot take. We have to take 2 digits, that is 10. So 10 is there in 2's table. 2 5s are 10 and 4 is also there. 2 2s are 4. 52 will come in 2's table. So first check for 5. 5 does not come but 4 comes. 2 2s are 4. From 5 we remove 4 and 1 will be remaining. So the remaining numbers will be 1 and 2 12. So 2 6 are 12. Now 2 again you write down over here. First check for 2. 2 1s are 2. Now check for 6. 2 3s are 6. And 13 is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. Write down horizontally again. 2 into 3 into 13. And 104 also you write down horizontally. 3 times 2 into 13. Now HCF again you have to find out the common factors. 1 time 2 over here. 1 time 2. Again 2 is not there. 3 is also not there. But 13 is also common here and here also. So HCF will be 2 into 13. And 2 into 13 is 26. And LCM, how do you find out? Maximum number of time you have to check where 2 is present first. Here it is 1 time but here it is 3 times. So write down 3 times. Now check for 3. 3 is present 1 time over here and it is not there only over here. So write down 1 time. And 13 1 time everywhere. So write down 1 time 13. Now multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 and 24 into 13 you do. 4 3s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 0, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1, 312. HCF into LCM you have to do. That means 26 into 312. So 26 into 312 you do and see what you get the answer. So I will not do over here because I don't have enough space. I will do it at the back side of my book. So here I will do 26 into 312 into 26. So 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 1s are 6, 7, 6 3s are 18, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11, 7, 6, 7, 8. 8,112. And you have to find the product of two numbers. That means 78 and 104. So product of given numbers. Let us find out. 104 into 78. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 zeros are 0, so 3, 8 1s are 8, 0, 7 4s are is 28, 8 here, 2 carry, 7 zeros are 0, 2, 7 1s are 7. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. 8 plus 3 again is 11. Again you get same answer if you see properly. 8,112. So you can see here, this also answer we cross check. HCF into LCM is equal to product of the given numbers, right, which was 78 into 104. So this is how we solve the sums from practice set 30.